And if you come across just moments where you feel difficulty or sensations of tightness or even just an energetic tension in this practice, just remember it's okay. So don't quit. Let's stick with the practice and see if we can process and move through some of this stuff together, whatever it may be. Hands can rest gently wherever. Let's begin. Let's start with an awareness of the spine. It might be helpful to soften your gaze or close your eyes. Possible to sit up tall. You might sit up on a little blanket or towel or pillow. Your eyes here to help bring our outer awareness inward. And just starting with an awareness of the spine. So if you notice right away, it just feels dang